May is full of big milestones and full of reasons to celebrate. When you're assigned dessert duty for a big crowd, there is one way you can always win, and that is with ice cream. But this is not your average ice cream sundae bar. Our friend and recipe creator, Amy Richardson, has the perfect idea to customize each little pint. This is so fun. Pre-made sundaes.
Yes, because it's so genius, because you make them specialized to the person. You take their favorite dessert and you put it into ice cream sundae, put their name on it, but then it's like it's already done ahead of time, and you could add extra toppings or whipped cream or not, so it's completely clean.
So it's, oh, well, there's that too. It's sanitary, but there's still a customizable option without like the lull of the line. You can grab and go.
Yeah, that you can set it all up, have a spoon already in it, and they can just take it and go, and it's something special and wonderful.
Your brain's amazing. I'm gonna say a flavor, you give us a description, because you've got some really fun combinations here. We have Lucy's Lemon Bar Sundae.
Okay, so this is really interesting. So I decided to do on Instagram, what are your favorite desserts? So some of these are from Instagram.
Love it.
And what was crazy is not even one of those said caramel.
Oh,
right?
Interesting.
But I thought Lucy's Lemon Bar Sundae. So I've used a lemon curd sauce and lemon bars, and the fun thing about it is you just put in a chunk of whatever it is to make it really yummy.
We're gonna show you in just a second. Sara's Southern Strawberry Shortcake Sundae.
Yeah, so it's got like biscuits in it. You could also do it with pound cake, but fresh strawberries, biscuits, and then an orange strawberry ribbon.
So this is like cake and ice cream. It's not just like a,
Yes.
Okay, we've got Danny's Chocolate Dipped Strawberry Sundae.
So I used True Fruit, the True Fruit.
Yes.
Chocolate dipped strawberries, put those in with a fudge ribbon and vanilla ice cream. You could use chocolate ice cream too.
You've got Maisie's. Who are these people? They're so lucky to have an Amy Richardson original named after them. Maisie's Mini Chocolate Eclair Sundae.
Yep, and that's just got mini eclairs in it. She loves eclairs, and I thought, why not with a milk chocolate ribbon and vanilla ice cream and custard? Super yummy.
Okay, before we show how to assemble, we want to get to that, but the packaging is part of it. That's so darling.
Okay, so these are just, I think you could do a smaller size than this if you want to, but I thought that this is kind of the perfect size. Put it in there, get it in the freezer, get the label on it, put a fun little spoon and a gold band on it. Makes it super special, like for graduation or something, kind of elevates it just a little bit.
It feels like Magnolia Bakery right out of New York.
You're totally right.
It does,
Magnolia
the
Bakery.
banana cream pie pudding.
Well, I just love the little containers, and they're easy to get. I'll have a link, but you can get them on Amazon. The U.S. food store in Salt Lake, if you're in Salt Lake, they're a very good price.
Oh, good.
Like you can get the lids and the container for like maybe $6.
Yeah, the
for
packaging
25
is
each.
part of it. Okay, how do we do this?
Okay, so one thing that I think makes the star of it, though, is the sauces.
The sauce.
The sauces. And so what you can do to make sauces really easily is you just take something like your freezer jam or lemon curd, and you can just add water to it and thin it to the point where you feel like it's a sauce. Yes.
You thin down jam.
These are already water-based. You know, you've got water and fruit and that kind of thing.
I'm not familiar with these.
Oh my gosh, they're
Berries of Paradise?
so yummy.
A Utah's own product.
Best freezer jam, I think, out there besides your own.
Right.
You know, and then a hot fudge sauce, which we have and we can make today, and a caramel sauce, which nobody might want.
Why did nobody say caramel?
I have no idea.
I feel like
I love caramel.
Much like a hot dog is a specialty food at a baseball game, I feel like caramel is the specialty ingredient at the ice cream bar.
That's what I think, but not even one had a caramel. I like caramel too.
All right, your famous chocolate sauce?
My famous chocolate sauce, and everybody, this is so good. In fact, you have to taste it. You taste it.
Twist my arm.
Make it.
Okay.
Okay, so all it is
I'm spooning
butter
it. Do I dare spoon?
And yes, do.
I'm pregnant. I can do whatever I want.
You can.
I'm starting that way too early. Way too early.
I think from day one conception.
I don't know.
You're going to add evaporated milk to this, and
that's good.
It's so interesting because evaporated milk is such an old-fashioned thing to use instead of cream, but it gives it the most silky texture.
Why is that so good?
Right? And it's nothing. It's really, you're seeing the ingredients.
Now I'm focused. What do we have?
I have to say, I have tried it with lots of different kinds of chocolate chips, and I do like Nestle the best.
Okay. Vote for Nestle.
Yep. And then to that, to your melted butter, condensed milk, and sugar, you're going to just add in your chocolate chips, and then you're going to cook it until it comes to a simmer.
Is that it?
Yep. And then you put
vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla in it.
That's
and then
it.
You've got this amazing chocolate
Does it boil?
sauce.
Does it what?
I simmer it around the edges. It kind of dissolves the sugar. You can kind of tell. Then as it thickens as it cools.
That is so good.
But isn't that?
Can store in the fridge.
I can eat it with a spoon.
I mean, no, yeah, I just did.
Yeah,
I just did that. I'm prepared to go to the next level.
It's nothing that, but whatever the combination is, it's yummy.
Okay, let's make one of these.
Okay, so part of like what makes this fun is that you're going to put huge amounts of the stuff into it. So like the chocolate cake. So usually what I would do is I just cut like a wedge of the chocolate cake and put it in. And you kind of want to set it up like where you're doing multiple ones. I mean, we obviously don't have to.
I've got the lemon bar.
A lemon bar. Stick that in your thing. Then you're going to want to drizzle some of your hot fudge. Let me get you the lemon sauce.
Oh my gosh, please,
put a little
please
bit of
do.
lemon sauce over that. And then, like for this one, I chose out.
So cake and sauce. Cake of some kind. Chocolate cake, shortbread cake, whatever.
Whatever kind of cake is your celebratory person.
And then ice cream?
I mean, you could do pie, you could do whatever. Then you're going to want to put in a little bit of ice cream. And I kind of think this one needs vanilla and chocolate.
Oh, you're
so
mixing.
Some of that.
Getting wild.
Then I'm going to put in a little bit more cake.
Okay.
Another wedge of cake in there.
That's what I'm prepared to do as well. Okay.
Yep, and you put that in. You can raise it a little bit higher if you want, because the lid, there's room for it to smash down. Yeah.
You can smash.
So put in a little bit more ice cream on the top of your second layer of stuff.
All right.
Drizzle it with
Drizzle it again?
Yep. Drizzle it with a little bit of fudge. Like I said, you could serve these with whipped cream if you want.
And is this lemon curd just watered down? Oh my gosh.
Just thin. And then there's two kinds of lids you can buy. I love the cardboard lid, but if you're doing multiple kinds at a party, get a clear one like this so that you can see what's in there.
Oh, smart. So you don't have to label if you don't want to.
And then you just put it on.
And freeze it.
Freeze it.
On a cute little tray.
On a cute tray, stick them in the freezer, put your label on, put the spoon.
This is the best idea. I can think of so many different applications.
Right. It's like so fun, and you can make it so special for the graduate or the person that's having a birthday or whatever it is.
Amy, you're the best. She's so polished. She's so pulled together. In case you want to know to what level, her napkins match her dress.
They do, but that was not intentional. They were just in my car.
Oh my gosh, just when I think I have it together, Amy walks in with coordinating linens. We love you so much. Where can we get more recipes from you?
Amy Parker Richardson. Follow me on Instagram. I have, all the socials.
The pictures alone will inspire you. Her photography alone, but the recipes there are obviously amazing too. So if you aren't already following, we'll link you over from our website. Happy summer soiree. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Love the napkins. I love the dress more.